Okay, question number 2 also there was something homework yesterday. Yes or no? Exercise 2.5 question number 2 also there was homework. No. Okay, some students are saying no. So we will do that. What is remaining of question number 2? So 156.1 multiplied by 100. So who wants to try this? Okay, Siddhi, tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
answer.
So the answer is 15610.
15610. Okay, how
Yes,
you
sir.
have done it?
Sir, I have multiplied them.
Directly you have shifted the decimal point 2 places. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so जिन लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, they can do it like this also. Okay, directly also we can do it. 15610 it will come. जिन लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है वो लोग ऐसे करेंगे. 1561 divided by 10 multiplied by 100 upon 1. Do the product of this. Do the product of this. What it will come? 156100 divided by 10. So this 0 will get cancelled. Here also you will get the same answer. Okay. Directly also we can do, because here it is multiplication by 100. So we need to shift the decimal point by 2 places. Is it clear to you? Okay, E1 is remaining. Darshana, what was the question of E1? Wait a minute. We will see the question. Okay, this was the question of E1. Okay, so we'll solve this now. It is 31.1 multiplied by 100. So what it will come? Yes, Akshara, what it will come?
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer?
Sir, 311.
311. Only 311 will be the answer.
No, sir.
So
The answer will be
3110 it will be. Okay.
10.
अगर नहीं जम रहा है तो ऐसे करना है. See, 31.1 can be written like this. Multiplied by 100 divided by 1. Do the product of these two. What it will come? 31100 divided by, do the product of these two, it will come 10. This 0 will get cancelled. So what we are getting? 3110. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, next one. 3.62 multiplied by 100. Okay, Anshika Gilda.
Answer is 362.
362. जिन लोगों को नहीं जम रहा है वो लोग ऐसे करेंगे. 362 divided by 100 multiplied by 100. Do the product of these two. What it will come? 36200 divided by 100. So these two 0 will get cancelled. What you will get here? 362 only. Okay. Mute yourself, Anshika. Next. Okay, Om Jadhav will try this. Om Jadhav.
Sir, answer is 4307. Answer by full method 3 multiplied by 1. 430,700 by 100. Cut 200 and 4307.
Okay, correct. Yes, Om, mute yourself. Next one. Divyal.
Sir, I want 0.5 into 10. Sir, 0.5 upon 0 is equal to 5.
ओके 0.5 यानी इसको हम लोग 5/10 लिख सकते हैं मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10/1. सो व्हाट इट विल कम?
Is equal to 5.
So 50 divided by 10, what it will come? 0, 0 cancel, which is equal to 5.
5 under 5.
So the answer will be 5.
5.
Next one. Shravani thing will try the next one.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
So one
What?
second, the question is. So I'm not able to see the question. Huh. The question is 0.08. So answer. 1 second. 8, 10. So answer might be 0.8.
Correct.
I'm
Okay.
thinking.
So अगर नहीं
हाँ.
जम रहा है तो ऐसे लिखना है 8
So
divided
I
by.
was confused. So I was waiting.
Okay, 8
I was.
divided by 100 multiplied by 10/1. So it will come what? 80 by 100. 1 0 will get
100.
cancelled. So
Yes.
0.8 is the answer.
There. Yes, sir.
Okay, Shravani, it's correct. Mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Next, Pratishta Jain will try the next one.
Yes, sir. The question.
Okay, this is the question.
The question is 0.9 multiplied by 100. So we have to shift 2 places to next. So the answer is 90.0. So answer is 90.
Correct. अगर नहीं जम रहा है तो ऐसे करना है. 0.9 can be written like this. 9 divided by 10 multiplied by 100 by 1. Do the product of these two, what it will come? 900. Do the product of these
900
two, it
upon
will
10.
come 10. Okay,
10.
0 0 will get cancelled. So 90 is the answer.
91 are 90.
Okay.
Yes.
Mute yourself. Next, Yash Bhalekar will try.
Yes, sir. So the answer is 0030.0.
Wait a minute. Let me see the question first. Okay, what's your answer?
0030.
0030. Is it so? Others, please give the response in the chat box. Is the answer correct? 30 is the answer, beta. 003. That only. Okay. No, don't write 0 before. पहले के 0 का कुछ वैल्यू नहीं होता है. So directly write 30 as the answer. Okay. नहीं जम रहा है तो ऐसे करना है. 3 divided by 100 multiplied by 1000 divided by 1. Do the product of these two. What it will come? 3000. Do the product of these two. It will. This 0 0 will get cancelled. The answer is 30.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself. Next,
Yes.
Palak Jain will try the next one. Yes, Palak. Palak, can you hear me? Palak Jain. Okay, Siddhi, you were willing to give this answer, so.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, the question is find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So first we will write the statement that is length is equals to 5.7 centimeter and breadth is equals to 3 centimeter. The area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. So we will multiply 5.7 into 3. So the answer is 17.1 centimeter.
Okay. Breadth
Therefore, The answer is 17.1 centimeter square.
Breadth of rectangle is equal to 3 centimeter. What is the area of rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth.
Breadth.
ओके, सो लेंथ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ब्रेड्थ कर देंगे यहाँ पे, तो लेंथ है हमारा 5.7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 करने के बाद कितना आ रहा है वो प्रोडक्ट?
17.1.
17.1 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द यूनिट बेटा?
Sir, square.
Centimeter square. Okay, because it's area. Okay.
Yes, sir. 17.1 centimeter square.
Always keep it in mind that you will have to mention the unit also in the final answer. Okay, Palak, are you there? Okay. Palak Jain. See, your voice is not coming now also, huh? Previously also. Palak, you disconnect the session and again connect. Okay, till then next one, who will give the answer? Okay, Radha Bagdiya will give the answer. Others also can raise the hands, okay? Radha Bagdiya will give the answer.
Yes, sir.
What is the question? First see the question. Huh.
A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. How
Hmm.
much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol?
Okay, so what we will do?
Uh,
अब मैं एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ आपको. राधा, लिसन टू मी. हाँ, एक
yes, sir.
पेन का कॉस्ट है 10 रुपीज, तो 5 पेन का कॉस्ट कितना होगा?
10 into 5 is equals to 50.
तो वैसे ही यहाँ पे 1 लीटर में कितना डिस्टेंस चल रही है वो टू व्हीलर? 55.3 किलोमीटर. तो 10 लीटर्स में कितना चलेगी? ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट. यस और नो?
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. A two-wheeler covers in one distance in 1 liter is equals to 55.3 kilometer, and two-wheeler covers distance in 10 liter is equals to 55.3 into 10.
1 liter of petrol is equal to what? It is equal to 55.3 kilometers. Okay. Amount of petrol. What is the amount of petrol we are having? Amount of petrol is equal to 10 liters. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So therefore, distance covered
Five,
in 10 liter of
three.
petrol will be equal to 55.3 multiplied by 10. बोलो कितना आता है अभी?
Sir, answer will be 553.0.
Yes, 553 kilometers only. Okay, no need to write that 0.0. So 553 किलोमीटर. जिन लोगों को नहीं आ रहा है वो लोग ऐसे करेंगे, 553 divided by 10 multiplied by 10 upon 1. So 5530 divided by 10. This 0 will get cancelled. Again you will get 553 here. Okay. Those who are not able to do it directly will follow this. Okay, Palak. Now your mic is okay. Palak.
Voice is coming.
Yes, voice is coming. Next one.
Okay, sir. C1 is an AC
coach fare for 1 kilometer distance is rupees 28.75.
Okay.
Find the fare paid by Ananya if she traveled 180 kilometer by AC coach.
Hmm.
Sir, so here first we will do
Yes, Palak, what we will do? Palak, your voice is not coming. Okay, anyone else?
sir
Palak,
now.
now it's okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, then we will do multiplication.
Of what?
Rupees 28.75 into 180.
Correct. So what it will come?
Sir, so
Okay. Till that I will write the given. Huh? You do the multiplication. तब तक मैं given लिखता हूँ.
yes, sir. Sir, it will be 5175.
5175. Okay, we will see then. Fare of AC coach
Fare of AC coach
for 1 kilometer distance is equal to rupees 28.75.
28.75.
Okay.
Yes.
Distance traveled by Ananya is how much?
180 kilometer.
Distance traveled by, sorry, there is a spelling here, traveled by Ananya
Ananya.
is equal to 180 kilometers. So the total fare, what it will be?
Total fare is equals to
20.
rupees 28.75 into 180 kilometers.
So finally what it will come? If you are not able to do this, what we can do? 2875.
28.2875 upon 100 into 180 upon 1. So we
Okay.
will do 2875 into 180 upon 100.
So this one
0
zero
0 gets cancelled.
cancel. Now only we need to do the multiplication. 2875 multiplied by 18. So 18 fives is 90. What is 18 sevens are 90 plus 36? 126 plus 10, 136 minus 1, 135. What is 18 eights are?
Sir, 18 is 144.
144 plus 10, 154 plus 3, 157.
Yes, sir, 157.
18 twos is 36 plus 10, 46 plus 5, 51.
51.
Okay.
Sir, 5175 I said.
51750 divided by 10. So 0 will get cancelled. So final answer will be 5175 rupees will be the unit.
Yes,
Because-
sir, because we want to find the kilometers, how many she paid, Ananya paid.
We have to find the fare paid. Okay. So the unit will be rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mute yourself. Next, who will try? Vaishnavi Vagmare. Okay, Vaishnavi Vagmare will try the next one.
Yes.
Bolo Vaishnavi.
Find the cost of 26.8 meter of cloth if
Hmm.
the cost of 1 meter cloth is
Hmm.
rupees 60.75.
Okay.
First, we will write cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to rupees 60.75.
Is equal to rupees 60.75. Correct. Okay.
Cost of 26.8 meter of cloth is equal to
Available cloth. Available cloth is equal to 26.8 meters. Itna cloth available hai. Therefore, total cost of cloth
we will divide it.
divide. See, find the cost of 26.1 meter of cloth. If one we will
No, we will multiply it.
so
60.75 into 26.8.
okay. So now how we will do this? Multiplication is somewhat difficult. So how we will do this?
268 upon 10
Okay.
into 6075 upon 100.
Okay.
We
Next.
will multiply the numerator.
So what will the product come here now?
Sir, too many.
Yes, others also find out the product of this numerator. One six two eight double zero.
1622800 upon 1000.
162,800 upon 1000. What it will come then?
0 gets cancelled
Mm.
and 1628 2.8.
Is it so? I don't think so. There is some mistake here. There is some mistake here. Please check the calculations. Check the calculations. Six 6075 multiplied by 268. 8 5 is 40. 8 6 is
Sir,
50.
it is 1622100.
Wait, let me check. 8 6 is 48 plus 6 5 is 33 carry. 6 7 are 42 plus 3 45. 4 carry. 4 will come here. 6 6 is 36 plus. Now 5 2 is 10. 1 carry. So 14 plus 1 15. 1 carry. So 1 will come here. 6 2 is 12. So here it will come 0. Here it will come 0. Here it will come 6 plus 5
11.
is 11. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 5 plus 6 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. 4 plus 2 is 6. 162810081. Okay, here 1 should be there. Okay, so 1628.1 it will come.
Yes.
Okay, mute yourself. So in this way we have completed the exercise. This was the last question now of this exercise 2.5. Yes or no? One is remaining. Okay. Okay. Last one is remaining. Who will try this? Anyone new? I want, huh? The regular students, I don't want them. Okay, Arya Mirkad, I will try this. Arya Mirkad.
Yes, sir. Those we will multiply 6.25 into 6.25 because we want square, and the formula of square area of square is equals to side into side. So the multiplication of 6.25 into 6.25 is 38.8625.
Okay, so this is a square. Suppose 6.25 meter is one of its side. So we will write side of a square is equal to 6.25 meter. It is given to us. So area of square
Side into side.
will be what? Side square. Okay, side into side is nothing but side square. This is the standard formula. Okay, side square. Next 6.25 whole square it will become. Now whole square can be written like this: 6.25 6.25 multiplied by 6.25. Okay, just do the product, what it comes.
38.8625.
38.8625.
8625.
What will be the unit?
Square, meter square.
Meter square will be the unit. Yes, Kabir, you will have to draw the figure. Okay, name this figure also. A, B, C, D. So the answer will be 38.8625 meter square. Please check the calculation. Okay. Check the calculation. Siddhi, we cannot write it. We cannot make it as 39. We will have to write the answer as it is, what it is coming. Okay. We cannot round off the figure because it's area. Okay. Next one. Chalo, who will try? Next, I think so. This was the last question. So next exercise we will start immediately. We are starting exercise 2.6. Okay, now here we will have to do the division. No problem, division भी रहेगा तो हमको पता है कि उसको multiplication में कैसे convert करना है. Yes, who will tell me how we convert the division sign into multiplication sign? There are no notes. There are no notes for division. Directly start exercise 2.6. Who will tell me how to convert this? Division sign का conversion multiplication में कैसे करना है? Who will tell me? I don't want the regular students. I want the new students. I want the new students. Yes, Divyal, what is your doubt?
Sir, 6.25 into 6.25 answer is coming 39.0625 square meter.
Wait a minute. I will just check it in Kelsey. 6.25 multiplied by 6.25, 39.0625. Correct it is.
Sir, your answer was coming 38.8625 meter square.
My answer not. The student who gave the answer, na, she told me this value. 39.0625 meter square is the answer of the previous one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. See, the previous answer was wrong. It is 39.0625. Please make a correction in it. Next. Chalo, who will tell me how to convert the division sign into multiplication? Shravani thing. Okay, Shravani. Shravani.
Sir, sir, I also don't know, but I'm trying to see. Sir, can we do like this 4/10 into 2/1 if we do in fraction?
Beta, see. First, you convert only this value. Okay. So what it will come? 4 by 10 divided by 2.
2 by.
अब जब
we
हम
can take
अब हम फ्रैक्शंस जब सॉल्व कर रहे थे, देखो तो डिवीजन के बाद वाला जो वैल्यू होता है उसको
रेसिप्रोकल करते.
यस.
हाँ, तो फिर वो आएगा 1/2.
ओके.
तो फिर न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से करने का और डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से करने का, तो फिर वो आएगा 4/20.
So what is 4 by 20? It is nothing but 1 by 5. And what is
1/5?
It is nothing but 0.2.
0.2.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 0.2 is the answer. Mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, who will try the next one? I don't want the regular students. I want the new students. Okay, Lakshmi Nivas Zawar will try this. Lakshmi Nivas Zawar.
Yes, sir. We have to divide. So, sir, we will write 3.5 upon 0.
35 by 100.
Sorry, sir, upon 100 divided by 5 upon 1 or 5.
Okay.
And then we will reciprocal them. So it will come 35 upon 100 multiply by 1 by 5. So, sir, answer will be 35 upon 500. Yes, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
5 sevens are and 5 hundreds are. So what will be the final answer? 0.07 will be the final answer. Is it clear to you? Okay, next one, 65.4 divided by 6. Who will try this? Pranav Darbatswar will try this. Pranav Darbatswar.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So first we will write 654 upon 10 divided by 6.
6 by 1. Okay.
Then we will reciprocal 1 upon 6 is equal to 654 upon 10 into 1 upon 6.
Hmm.
So I will write 654 upon 60.
Now, how to convert this into decimal? What you do, don't divide by 60, only divide by 6. हाँ 654 को 6 से डिवाइड करो, कितना आता है? 6 1 is 6. Next, what it will come here? 0 will come here. 54 9 okay. So 109 divided by 10 it will become, क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को 6 से डिवाइड किया है, तो 6 से डिवाइड करने के बाद न्यूमरेटर आया 109 और डिनोमिनेटर आया 10. So what it will become? 10.9. Okay. Mute
Okay, sir.
yourself, Pranav. Harshvardhan Jadhav, what you did not understood? हाँ, हर्षवर्धन जादव, टेल मी, क्या नहीं समझा आपको?
सर ए वाला
तो क्या नहीं समझा उसमें, वो बताओ.
सर वो आंसर कैसे आए वो नहीं समझा
1/5 डिवाइड करो, 5 will come outside, 1 will go inside. 1 को 5 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो मुझे डेसिमल लेना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे 0 आ जाएगा. एंड 5 2s is 10. So 0.2 is the answer. ये डिवीजन का पार्ट है, ये डिवीजन नहीं आता है क्या आपको?
हाँ सर समझ गया
Okay. Mute yourself. Next one. We'll try the next one. I don't want the regular students. I want the new students. Okay, Darshana Khandelwal will try the next one. Darshana Khandel.
This, sir, the question is 14.49 divided by 7. So, sir, we will first do the fraction. 1449 upon 100 divided by 7 upon 1. 1449 upon 100 multiplied by 7 upon 1.
1/7 रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ता है डिवीजन के बाद वाला नंबर.
And 40.
Now divide
So
by.
how that 7?
हाँ. What happened?
So that how 700 come?
इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन, न्यूमरेटर का न्यूमरेटर के साथ, डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर के साथ.
Okay, sir. So we can do that cross multiplication also.
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करते जब बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन होता है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन जिस बीच में जब प्लस और माइनस का साइन होता है तब करते हैं.
Okay.
डिवाइड बाय 7. 207 divided by 100. So it will come 2.07. Okay, remaining questions of this question number 1 are homework. Okay, remaining questions are homework of this question number 1. You will solve it. Tomorrow directly I will take question number 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का रिमेनिंग पार्ट जो है ई से लेके आई डोंट नो टिल वेयर इट इज, आई थिंक सो टिल पी इट इज, so it is homework. You will do it in CW only. Okay, you will solve it in CW only. Bye to everyone.